ibadah on your own. And also from the etiquette, the third one that we have said is the etiquette with the people. The etiquette with the people. So here, that is, you give etiquette to each one accordingly. Definitely your etiquette is going to differ between you speaking to your parents and you speaking to your colleagues, or you speaking to your colleagues and speaking to your very close friends, or speaking to your close friends, you're speaking to your teacher, or to speaking to your teacher and you're speaking to your teacher who's your friend. Each one has got etiquettes, and you have to give each one the proper etiquette. And that is important. It's part of this etiquette. Just like we have etiquettes when you eat food, etiquettes. When you drink, you have etiquettes. Isn't it true? When you go to the toilets, you have etiquettes. Everything got specific etiquettes. To urinate, you have etiquettes. To talk, you have etiquettes. To sit, you have an etiquette. So we don't say that, for example, when I speak to my teacher, I don't have etiquettes. When I speak to my father, I don't have etiquettes. I'm going to be rude. Right. And this etiquette is going to give you the ultimate happiness. Coming now to chapter 84, and you start with the best of things that is linked to the manners, and that is haya. Chapter 84, please.
Chapter 84.